In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change color theme on Google Chrome browser guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can see the main Chrome window. If Chrome opens to a new tab page, that is perfect because this is usually the easiest place to access the appearance settings. Changing the color theme is a simple way to personalize Chrome and make the browser feel more comfortable to use. Once Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. You will usually find this on the New tab page, often near the bottom right area of the screen. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. This section lets you adjust the look and feel of your browser without changing your browsing data or saved settings. If you do not immediately see the option, make sure you are on a New tab page in Chrome, since that is where it is most commonly available. After the customization panel opens, select Theme. This is the area where Chrome shows you different color styles and visual themes that you can apply. You will see a variety of options, each designed to change the color accents and overall appearance of the browser. Take a moment to look through the available choices and pick the one that best fits your preference. Some themes are bright and colorful, while others are more minimal or darker, which can be easier on the eyes. When you click a theme, Chrome will usually preview the change right away, so you can immediately see how it looks. This makes it easy to compare styles before settling on one. If you are trying to match your browser with your desktop setup or simply want a cleaner look, this preview can help you decide faster. Once you have selected the theme you want, the new color style should be applied automatically. You can then close the customization panel and continue using Chrome with the updated appearance. If needed, you can return to the same area at any time and choose a different theme later. That covers everything you need to know.